Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Camtasia video editing software. And in today's video, I will show you on how to color grade with LUT effect in Camtasia video editing software. Let me show you how. Like for instance, this particular clip right here, I want to simply color grade this particular video clip. Yeah, how do we do that? First thing first, select the clip that you want to use, and the next thing you want to do is to come to the toolbar right here. Go ahead and make sure you look for visual effects, and it's going to take you right here. Under the visual effects right here, you have so many effects, but what we are interested here is filters. Go ahead and click on filters. Then you have different types of filter in the gallery right here. What you want to do here is to go ahead and drag them one after the other and see which one is more suitable for you. Like for instance, I'm going to select cheek lights right here, drag it all over the video. Then you have your video preview right here. Then from the sidebar right here, you have the blue property right here that you can easily work on. Like for instance, if you are not comfortable with the one you drag on the video, just come to LUT preset right here and hover your mouse. Continue to hover your mouse until you are able to see the one that is very much suitable for you. So you can see this another one right here, and then it's another one right here. I can decide to enhance contrast default, golden hours. So there are much LUT presets right here that you can easily work with. So if you are not comfortable with all this, you can also import your prefer LUT file, and it's going to be successfully added to your LUT file. So in this tutorial, I'm going to go ahead with this culture right here. Now, there are a few things you can also change right here. You can come to the graph right here. You can click whether you want to add gray, you want to add red color right here. Then you have green color. If you are not comfortable, you can try blue color. So I'm going to put in red color right here. Then under the range right here, you have blend options. You have gray shadow, you have red shadow, you have green shadow, blue shadow. Just hover your mouse and try as much as possible and see which one is actually work with your video. I'm comfortable with this blue shadow right. Lastly, you can scroll down right here and control the highlight right here. Everything depends on what exactly you want to achieve. Then I'm done with that. Then you can add a little bit shadow, or shadow is not going to right here. So here you can also work on the intensity. So you can turn down the intensity a little bit right here, and have a kind of clean view clip right here. So if I turn off my color LUTs, this is before and this is after. Before and after. It's that simple. So this is how to simply use in your Camtasia video editing software to color grade your video without any stress. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Camtasia video editing software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you